Work from home, avoid unnecessary foreign trips, reduce buying gold. Why is the government suddenly saying all this? At first, these things sound completely unrelated, but actually, they are all connected to one very important thing, and that is India's dollars. India's dollars are going out. Now, what does that mean? Let's understand this in the simplest way possible. So, India actually imports a huge amount of crude oil from other countries because we don't produce enough ourselves. And oil, it is not paid for in rupees, it is paid for in dollars. So, the more oil India imports, the more dollars leave the country. Now, imagine if global oil prices rise. India then has to spend even more dollars for the same amount of oil, and oil is just one part. When the Indians take uh, foreign trips, dollars are spent there too. Flights, hotels, shopping, food, everything requires foreign currency. Now, obviously, one person's trip does not matter that much, but when millions of people travel abroad, a huge amount of dollars goes out of India. Let's talk about gold. India loves gold, but most of the gold that we buy is imported from outside the country, which means more gold imports also means more dollars leaving the country. And now here comes the most important part. When demand for dollars become very high and dollars keep going out of the country, the dollars become stronger as compared to the rupee, and this leads to rupee depreciation. For example, if earlier $1 was equal to 80 rupees and later it has become 85 or 90, or in fact now which has become 95, India has to pay more money, more rupees for the same imports. And because which means dollar is increasing and rupee is depreciating. So, which means, and because India imports many important things like fuel, electronics, machinery, chemicals, and so on, prices start increasing. This can lead to inflation and put pressure on the economy. And hence, work from home starts making sense. If more people work from home, fewer people travel daily. Less travel means less petrol and diesel consumption. Less fuel consumption means India may need to import slightly less oil. And that means fewer dollars going out of the country. So these suggestions are not random at all. They are connected to oil imports, dollar reserves, and the value of the rupee and inflation. Now, whether these measures will actually help or not, it is a separate debate, but at least now we can understand the economic logic behind them, and this is how economics quietly affects our daily life. If you want more simple explanations of important financial economic news, subscribe to Astitv EcoFinBiz.